Are you sending LinkedIn messages to generate more leads, sales appointments, and clients for your business? If so, then I'm going to show you one simple change that you can make to your LinkedIn messaging strategy to double the amount of leads you get, double the amount of sales appointments you get, and also double the amount of clients that you get from LinkedIn. So first of all, let's have a look at what most people are doing when it comes to using LinkedIn to actually generate leads by sending LinkedIn messages. And you've probably been on the receiving end of one or many messages like this. So usually what people will say is something like, hey, thanks for connecting with me. Let's jump on a quick call to have a 15-minute chat and see how we can help each other. Another thing that they do is that they say, hey, thanks for connecting with me. This is what I do. And they go through a long list of services that they can provide. And sometimes there's pricing in these different services as well. I've seen a lot of IT support companies and web design companies use this sort of strategy. They just send you a list of everything that they do. And then they say, would you or someone you know be interested in these kind of services? So again, they're going straight to the sale or straight to the sales appointment as the first step in their LinkedIn message. Now, there's many variations of this, but the point is, and the principle that I'm trying to get across is that what most people do when they're sending LinkedIn messages is that they go straight to the sale or straight to the sales appointment. Okay, and here's why that doesn't work, at least not as well as it could potentially work. The big problem with going straight to the sale or the sales appointment is that these people haven't heard about you, they don't know you, they don't like you, and they don't trust you. And why would they? Because this is the first time that they've just heard about you. They've just connected to you on LinkedIn, and why on earth would they jump on a call with you, or why would they straight away use your services if there's no trust or relationship that has been built up first before you move to that next stage of them becoming a client? So if you're single, it's a little bit like if you meet someone for the first time and instead of asking if they want to go for coffee or asking them out on a date, you ask them to marry you straight away. It's not going to work very well. Now, sometimes, yes, you do get the odd few people that say, yeah, sure, let's jump on a call, or yeah, sure, I am actually looking for this right now. But if you're using this strategy yourself, or if you've seen other people use this strategy, I'm sure you know by now that it's not as effective as you would like or as other people would hope that it is. Because again, you haven't built up that trust first. So the big question is, what can you do instead that allows you to build up trust and at the same time allows you to generate a lead and a sales appointment and also a new client? Is there something that you can do that can tackle all three of these things at the same time? Well, yes, and this is exactly what we do for not just ourselves, but also our clients. And the key thing, the one thing that you need to change and do differently is instead of asking people to jump on a phone call or instead of sending them a list of your services or anything like that, what you need to do instead is give them some free educational content. That's the key thing. And when I say free educational content, I'm not talking about like some sort of free PDF guide or something like that, which I guess you could use and it would be okay. But what I'm talking about, something that would be a lot more powerful, is a short video presentation that identifies a few key things. And we call this video presentation a video sales letter. And in this video sales letter, what you want to do is talk about the big problem that your potential clients have. Then you want to talk about some alternative ways that they could solve this solution. So this could be by maybe working with certain types of competitors. Maybe they don't do anything and they try to solve this problem themselves. And you want to go through what are the pros and cons of these alternative solutions to solve the big problem that they have. And then once you've gone through alternative solutions, you want to go through what is your solution and how is your solution better than these other alternative solutions. And by now you've got people's interest. You've explained to them the problem so they start to think, okay, this person understands me. You've explained to them possible solutions to their problem so they can think, oh yeah, I have looked into this before. I have thought about this before. And you explain to them the pros and cons of these different solutions. And then you explain how your solution is better than those other solutions. So now this is when you start to transition from building up trust to actually explaining how you and your services can actually help them. And at this crucial point, this is where you start to explain how your strategy works or how your process works. And at this crucial point, you don't give everything away. You just give them enough information to capture their interest and get them to want to learn more. And then at the end of the video, you say, if you want to learn more about how we can help you solve this problem, then click on the button below this video and you can schedule an appointment with me. So that's how it would work. It's very, very simple. It's just one change that you would make. Instead of sending people a sales pitch, you send them or ask them if they would like to receive a free short video presentation that explains how you can actually help them. That's the key thing. And if you just make this one change in your LinkedIn messaging strategy, it can more than double the amount of leads, appointments, and clients that you get. Because this way, people are actually interested in learning how you can solve their problem, and you build up trust with them so they can see if you actually can genuinely really help them or not without having to jump on a phone call or anything like that first. And here's the thing, this is actually better for you as well, because at the end of the day, you don't really want to be having phone calls or sales appointments or whatever you want to call it with people if they are not the right fit for you. So by using this strategy instead, you will be able to pre-qualify people, and people will actually be able to pre-qualify themselves and only book an appointment with you if you can genuinely help them. So that way, anyone that isn't really serious about working with you or isn't really serious about solving this problem that you can help them with, they are not going to book a call with you. So that's good for you because it means it doesn't waste your time, and also for the prospect, it doesn't waste their time as well. Why would someone jump on a call if they don't really know if you can help them? That video presentation allows them to see if you can really help them or not, and it allows you to see if this person is really worth speaking to and if this person is a good potential client for you as well. So at this point, you might be wondering, how do I actually create this video presentation, and how do I also put this into a marketing and sales funnel that is designed and engineered to actually get sales appointments and new clients? So if you'd like to learn how to do that in a lot more detail, then what I recommend that you do is sign up for the free masterclass training that I've recorded. There should be a link somewhere on this video where you can sign up for that. So in this free masterclass training, I'll be showing you how to create your video sales letter presentation. I'll also be showing you the strategy that we use and our clients use to generate leads on LinkedIn. And best of all, I'll be showing you how to take what you are already doing on LinkedIn over to Facebook ads to scale everything up and get a lot more results. So if you'd like to learn how to do that, then just sign up for the free masterclass training that I've recorded, and I'll see you on the inside. So that's it for this video. Stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one.